I have a feeling there's a bass right there. Yes to the sir, I knew it. I knew there was a bass. Off the wacky. Off the wacky. I'm about to get spined. I don't know why I'm holding him like he's a trout. Yep. I knew there was one in them weeds. Oh, I got one! Right under this fucking shit. I literally almost could have called it. He's about a 1 pounder, guys. Try to unhook this fucker first. If the hook is gonna go in me. It was in me.
It's got a little fat belly.
Yeah, here goes. Pinch it. Closed? Got it. Almost a 1. It's 14 ounces. Literally right there, he came out and swallowed it. There he goes. Like, that shit was fucking huge. I didn't even know I hooked one. Nice little less than 1 pounder. And he's gone.